Hey guys, this is Bama Mobs coming to you. This is sort of unusual. I was able to get off a little bit early at work today, so I thought, hey, let's go over to the Galleria Hoover and spend a little bit of time, maybe like read my book in the mall, maybe get a sub sandwich. Well, hey, that was a mistake. Yeah, so the entire ring around the Galleria is in a log jam. Everybody's leaving the stores. There's ambulances, police, and I don't have a clue what's going on. So hopefully somebody out there will get some news going on and try to get some details. I called my wife and had her turn on the TV, but it hasn't really picked up anything of what's going on currently. So over there's the Guadalajara Grill, which used to be the California Pizza Kitchen. And of course that monstrosity of the building is the Hyatt Regency Hotel here at the Galleria. And there's Belk. I mean, yeah, there's still cars there. Well, they can't get out because it's, that situation where everybody's left the football stadium. And now we're at a University of Alabama football game. But I went up there to Belk. I thought, well, hey, I'll just go in. Nah, guys like that. Nobody's coming in. Of course, no comment. And but they're just letting people out. So anyway, that's what's going on in Hoover, Alabama on Friday, Friday the 3rd of July. No wonder, this ain't like one of those Independence Day movies, is it? Where they have the space, no, I forget that. There ain't no spaceships around here. Probably just people acting out. But we'll figure it out. I'll watch the news tonight. Try to give you an update. If you know anything, just let me know.